Why does the first bite of biryani feel amazing, but after a few bites, the excitement just disappears? Bro, I think this is something called the law of diminishing marginal utility.
What even is that supposed to mean?
Maybe it means the more you eat something, the less happy you feel from it.
That makes no sense! If biryani is good, it should always feel this good!
The boys continue arguing while the other students gather around curiously, trying to figure it out themselves, but everyone...
Wait, let's ask TJ, sir!
You boys are closer to the answer than you think.
The first bite gives maximum satisfaction because your hunger is strongest at the beginning.
But with every bite, your hunger decreases, so the additional happiness or utility becomes smaller. That is called the law of diminishing marginal utility.
TJ Sir's explanation.
Then the same law secretly controls everyday life, from our mobile phones and chocolates to video games and even social...
So, economics was hiding inside my biryani this whole time.
Economics is not just something you study, it's something you live every single day.
Now every bite tells a story.